Zoji NP-HCC10XH has advanced induction for perfect rice, but the NP-QAC10 is great for mixed grains. Today we compare features, build quality, performance, and value. Both promise premium rice, but only one stands out. Starting with the Zojirushi NP-HCC10 and its modern design. Its induction heating ensures precise and even temperature control. The thick inner pot improves heat retention and texture. Multiple cooking modes support white, brown, and sushi rice. Cooking performance delivers fluffy grains with consistent moisture. Keep warm technology maintains freshness without drying rice. Build quality feels durable with premium materials throughout. Cleaning is straightforward with removable inner components, removing inner lid and steam vent for demonstration. Overall, NP-HCC10 offers refined performance and versatility. Now let's examine the Zojirushi NP-HCC10XH design. Its stainless finish gives a classic premium look. The inner pot distributes heat evenly for balanced texture. Cooking modes cover standard grains and specialty settings. Rice texture appears slightly firmer yet evenly cooked. The keep warm function maintains quality for extended hours. Build feels solid with reliable hinge mechanism. Cleaning process remains simple with desettable components. NP-HCC10XH delivers dependable results with traditional styling. NP-QAC10 offers newer features and slightly superior texture. Choose NW-QAC10 for innovation, NP-HCC10XH for reliable value performance.